Now let's take a look at that full weather forecast, and let's start off with those watches and warnings. We will have a freeze watch that will be in effect for tomorrow evening on Saturday all the way up until Sunday morning, so just prepare for that. Areas here across the valley that will be affected will be over in Starr County, and folks at home in Laredo, the city of Laredo will also be affected during that time. Now let's move along to those next 24 hours. Taking a look at that satellite and radar, we are seeing some slight precipitation that may be affecting some areas here in our southern region, so just prepare for that rainfall as well. Today's highs here across Laredo will be at 63 degrees, mostly sunny skies out there. Highs across the valley will be in those mid-60s. It will be breezy with plenty of sunshine as well. Taking a look at that satellite and radar, currently here across our southern region, some areas in Webb County may be experiencing some slight precipitation this morning, and some areas, as we can see over in the coastal region, are also experiencing some light rainfall. Now taking a look at that national satellite and radar, we can see that the southeast is also experiencing some of that precipitation, as well as over in the central plains there is some heavy snowfall in those regions, and as we can see over in the northwest there is also some precipitation affecting those areas. Now taking a look at this evening's low temperatures across South Texas, I know a lot of you have those evening plans for this Friday night. Over in Cotula, we are going to be experiencing clear skies in that region, with those overnight low temperatures dropping down to 32 degrees. In the city of Laredo, in those mid-30s at 34 degrees, Hebronville at 33, and over in Roma at 34 degrees with clear skies across the entire southern region. Today's highs across the valley, here at home across McAllen, those high temperatures are expected to be reaching 65 degrees over in Starr County at 65 as well. Areas over in Cameron County like Harlingen, those high temperatures for today will be in those low 60s at 62 with cloudy skies. Over in Brownsville in those mid 60s, and in the coastal region at South Padre Island, highs for today are expected to be at 59 degrees. Now taking a look at those overnight lows across the valley, it will be a cold one. If you do have those evening plans, just keep that in mind and dress accordingly to the weather. Here at home across McAllen, those overnight lows will be at 42 degrees. Edinburgh at 37. Over in Starr County, a little colder in the Starr County region. Rio Grande City dropping down to 34 this evening. Over in Harlingen at 38 degrees. Brownsville at 42. And in the coastal region with the highest temperatures for tonight at 52 degrees. Now taking a look at that extended forecast across Laredo for the next 7 days. Tomorrow, if you do have plans for Saturday, those high temperatures are expected to be reaching those mid-60s at 66 degrees. But for the evening, as I mentioned earlier, we are going to have a freeze watch that will be in effect for tomorrow evening, so just keep that in mind. It will be in effect all the way up until Sunday morning. Highs of 63 for Sunday, lows of 51. Temperatures will be increasing on Monday, highs of 72, lows of 54, and then take a look at that. By Tuesday, those highs will be reaching 81. Temperatures are expected to be warming up. That extended forecast for the valley, highs of 65 for tomorrow, lows of 40 degrees. Areas like Rio Grande City here across the valley will also be under that freeze watch. And then for Sunday, temperatures will slightly decrease. And then by Monday, those temperatures are expected to rise once again. That's going to finish off this full weather forecast, but stay with us because we'll be right back after a quick commercial break.